How to see old Google Maps street views and travel back in time. Now the old Google Maps street views will be there if there was a record for those street views, right? But if they deleted it and added a new one and by replaced it, then you will not be able to find it. And street view is also not available for all the locations. It has only been enabled for some of the important places. Let's say one of the 7 wonders of the world. I want to view this in street view. Here you can see the street view icon and I'll be able to find them. Now if this photo was taken from different timetable, then you'll also be able to scroll down right here and find other year where the photo was taken, and just like that you will then be able to see and open up Google Maps in a street view just like this, as you would be able to find. And this way you will be able to open Google Maps in street view and travel different year time as well. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.